Hello everyone, I'm watching this super exotic car crash and expensive fails. So look at this, that is expensive, very expensive car. There are also upcoming expensive fails and kind of crashes. Damn, that's gonna cost a lot. Look at this. Oh, ain't no way he was speeding like that. That was just stupid. What the hell? This is a Ferrari going through these bricks. Look at this kid, man. He looks so damn. He is stupid. He is gonna to make his Ferrari go through here. Look at him. What the hell? So this Range Rover has some stupid wheels on it. Very expensive car, Range Rover. One of my favorite cars, you know. Okay, so this is a squirrel inside a car now. It's scratching and running around here, there. Damn, that is annoying. Look at him, man. Humiliating. They are making fun of this Lamborghini owner now. What the hell is wrong with these people? Very expensive pills, man. Okay, so this is a Bugatti Chiron now. Okay.
Bugatti
And
El Alfa.
it's very dirty, man. Look at it. It
Que no
doesn't
tengo, pero quiere
go to
contacto,
the car wash or something. Look at this Chiron. What's it gonna do now? Okay. Waiting on. Wow. He just touched that Lamborghini car. Sorry, Mercedes car. What the hell, man? No way. Okay, so this Lamborghini got into the grass somehow. The police is now here. Okay, this Cybertruck. I bet the Cybertruck owner was speeding. Look at him, destroyed Cybertruck. Indestructible car, is it? Okay. Okay, now let's move on to the next clip. It's gonna stay here for a while, I think. Okay, so this is a BMW. Whoa, what the hell?
Hola. Que se han llevado largo.
These are some dumb people for sure. They don't know how to handle rich, luxurious, exotic cars. Real power. They just have the money, they will spend it like this. Okay. So this car messed up. That's what I gotta say.
Vale, pero voy a reiterarlo yo.
Very messed up car. Look at this front bumper. Wow. Okay. So Porsche destroyed Porsche. Okay. Damn. Bloody expensive. I will get myself one expensive car and I will take care of it. Not like this fools. They just do this, do that. Anyways. Okay. Is it gonna move to the next clip already or what? very messed up car for sure. That's gonna cost you.
¿Sí tiene seguro? Va?
The owners of these crashed cars are feeling like shit. I can say that.
¿Quieren tomar algo?
Okay. Still waiting for the next clip. What are they doing standing like that? Get out the car already, get out of the car already. You messed up. Just accept it. Okay.
¿Sí tiene seguro? Va?
Showing me the same post for like a 2 minutes.
¿Quieren tomar algo?
Look at that messed up owner. Fool.
Je me disais, ça va passer. Tout juste.
So
Mais c'est
there's
passé.
a reverse touched
Pas passé.
this
Mais
expensive
j'ai
car
passé.
right there.
Et j'ai pas touché. J'aurais pu toucher, mais j'ai pas touché. Par contre, le portail, il travaille. Tout travaille. Le bois, le fer, le béton, tout travaille.
Look at that. What the hell, man? Wow. That's how you drive the damn exotic car. What car is that, man? Look at this. I knew it. These fools can't handle
Sweet car.
power.
That's too bad. The whole side's cracked.
Again,
That's ridiculous.
police and some recorders, people watching this shit show. Okay, so this is a Lamborghini Huracan. And there you go. Just messed up the whole damn car. Wow.
Holy shit, dude.
This is a new Range
Yo, they
Rover.
shooting this motherfucker. Holy shit. Oh,
What the hell?
fuck.
That's not how you damn drive the car.
Oh, shit. Oh. Oh.
They're messed up in the heads.
Oh my god. Guns drawn,
Ooh,
shots
damn.
fired.
They're showing them the gun. Look at this BMW. Boo. Bad drift. Very, very bad drift. Okay. These Mercedes driver failed donut attempt. Look at that. Damn cowards. Can't even drift properly.
Oh no! Man, just see the maddest crash the Rari. You know?
They are damned donuts, drifting donuts everywhere,
I see
and
man
they fail.
crashed. Man hit the Rari and ripped it off. Look at it.
That supercar is very much messed up.
Man said one of the wheels halfway down the road, man.
Look at the tire.
Look. He's finished.
Ain't no way. A lot of exotic cars here. And how much is it left? Okay. Some little few clips are left only. Looks like another exotic car crashed into the dealership of expensive cars. Very much cost right there. Okay, there you go. The bit has ended. And yeah, subscribe, leave a comment. Goodbye.